Signals with DC components or skew can cause errors, or skew in the FFT waveform components. In order to reduce the DC component, the channel coupling mode of the data source can be set to AC. To reduce random noise and aliasing frequency components of repetitive or single-shot pulse events, set the oscilloscope's acquisition mode to average mode. Use cursors to measure FFT waveforms. To perform cursor measurement, first press the vertical cursor or horizontal cursor at the bottom of the oscilloscope interface to open cursor measurement. Use the X1 and X2 cursors to measure the frequency and the difference between the two frequencies, X2-1. Use the Y1 and Y2 cursors to measure amplitude and amplitude difference, Y2-1.